Hey guys, Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. If you're new here and don't know what we do, we're an automotive book dealer. We sell shop manuals, restoration guides, and history books on anything automotive related, motorcycles, boats. Pretty much if it burns gas and even now getting into some of the electric cars, we have books on them. But today I want to talk about one of my favorite all-time publishers, which is Veloce Publishing. They've always been one of my favorite. We've carried them for well over 20 years now. And what I like about them is how detailed technical they are and how detailed with their history they are. They've got some of the best photography and detailed descriptions of any job that you're doing, whether it be a restoration or a history book. This is one that I've used a lot in the past. I have an Austin Healey 3000, and I've used this one a lot to solve electrical issues and everything for my car. And this should give you a little bit what's inside. I mean, detailed photos, a lot of step-by-step. My all-time favorite restoration guide that's ever been written is on the Citroën 2CV. That's hands down, and that's done by them. It's the best restoration guide I've ever seen. This is another example of what one of their history books might look like. They do them in all different shapes, so there's not one uniform shape with the history books. But like I said, very detailed photography. And usually original photography. I don't usually see in their history books where they, use a photo from a restored vehicle or like just from let's say a historic race. A lot of them are original photography from the era. I'm also looking for a new motorcycle right now, and this is the one on the Norton. It almost makes me want to get a Norton because I am looking for something vintage just so I can use one of their books, because once again, I mean, just look at the detail they put in these books. And then they just came out with another one. This is in my reading list, is the new AMG book here. I have not opened up a copy for myself yet because they're flying off the shelf, and I haven't had a chance to really break down and read one. But they even do the nice little where it's got the bookmarker, the little string that you can bookmark where you're at. So this was definitely in my list to read yet. I just don't have time yet, or don't have one on the shelf that I can read, because they're literally, I probably ship about 7 to 8 of these a day. But yeah, Veloce is hands down one of my favorite publishers. Definitely check them out. You can check them out on our website. On our homepage, we have them in the very front as one of our favorite publishers. And you can click that and see every book that we stock of theirs. So check that out, and check out midlifeclassiccars.com. You can see all of our other automotive books, and you can see our blog posts. I make videos of me racing legend cars and doing other type of automotive fun projects. So check us out, midlifeclassiccars.com, and check our Veloce books out. Take care, guys.